everybody, my name is the IT guy. You may have noticed that the sound is a little bit on the low side, but that is not an issue with the video. That is actually something I did to show you the way a way to fix that specific problem. So what you want to do to make your microphone sound louder is, first of all, go over to this little icon over here, the speakers icon, and right click it. Go over to open sound settings, and first of all go over to device properties and make sure that the volume over here is set to 100. So the microphone's volume is set to 100, so that is already in check. Then you can go back and click on sound control panel, go over to recording, click the microphone, go over to properties, and then click the levels tab, and you can boost the microphone right over here to, this is +10, this is +20, and this is +30. So you can definitely hear the difference over here. And if you give the microphone over here a little boost to +30 dB, then your microphone should sound a lot clearer and a lot louder, and it will be a lot more enjoyable for people on the other side to hear you. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!